Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Phoenix Love Sucks and MoYou London Trend Hunter Collection 03. I'm going to be starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2. And here is Phoenix Love Sucks. It's a polished pickup from March of 2022. And it's got those reflective glitters in it. It's just, oh my goodness. So it's magnetic, reflective, multi-chrome. I'm telling you, this polish has got it all. So here we go. I've got the magnet under my finger. I've been seeing this, on the Instagram and YouTubes. And so I thought, well, I'll give it a try. And I could tell sitting there that it was doing something. But I picked my finger up to cap my fridge here. So it did pull the color some. I mean, if I'd have just straight up painted this, it would have looked a little different. So we're just going to keep on going. There we go. Second coat. Oh, so pretty. I'm going to top this with I&M's out the door. Still got the magnet under my finger. Hoping for the best. You know what I'm saying? So pretty. Going to cap my little bitty free edge there. Ugh. All right. So there is Love Sucks all on its own. Insane. Trend Hunter Collection 03 from MoYou London. I'm going to have to get this blue film off this plate because I've never used it. And I'll be using Maniology Poison with a Maniology scraper and my Conad stamper. So you guys that know me know that, these geometric designs and stuff are not normally my thing. But I thought today I would give this a play. And I'm really happy I did because I really ended up enjoying this manicure. Totally loving it. Got my polish on the image and I'm scraping lightly. And then picking up with my Conad stamper. And we're going to put this on my nail. Ta-da! I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And I think I'm just going to do images from all over this plate. I'm just going to do my cleanup on the end. Because there's just so many images. And they're all cohesive. They all could work together. So, you could just pick like your favorite and go with that. But me, I want to try all of them. I want to try as many as I can. I got five shots at this today. So I'm just kind of picking the ones that jump out at me. As per usual. Here we go. And I really like this one with the circle in it. You guys know I'm a swirly twirly kind of girl. So the circle works for me. And this one's got a bunch of circles in it. And I really enjoyed this. I thought this was really fun. And, when you wear a duochrome polish and you turn your hand, it's pink, it's green, it's gold, it's purple. Man, I love that. He's sitting at red lights and stoplights doing my hand back and forth, waving at myself so I can see the different looks. How pathetic. And there we go, got another one. And I do use a little piece of tape to get up any excess that I don't want to get on my skin or in my nail design. So here we go, gonna go after that little pinky nail. Line it up, mush it down. And we are all stamped up. I'm gonna do my cleanup. I'm cleaning my stamper, my plate, and my little mat with some acetone. Got to get it clean. Got to put my stuff away clean. I'm a ninny like that. And I figure if I'm doing it, I might as well share it with you guys, alright? Show y'all what a picky person I am. Alright, so I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess stamping polish off of my skin. And you can see those nails change orange, pink, green, gold. I mean, it's just crazy. You turn your hand and it's like you got on a whole different polish. I'm going to do some cleanup with some acetone real quick on my cleanup brush. Now, you don't have to use acetone to do your cleanup. You can use regular nail polish. It just doesn't clean up as fast, in my opinion. So that's why I use the acetone. But you do you, and I do me, and I share mine. All right. All the cleanup's done. We're going to go in with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And once again, ladies, gents, anybody that's watching, I got really, really, really short nails, and look how cute they are. You can have cute nails. They can be short, cute nails. And here we go with our Poshe top coat. This is our final top coat. Going to have to brush over and get some of that excess off of there. I got too much on there. And then I'm going to try to carefully cap my free edge here. Yep, got it done. And there's a little bit of it in motion. Seeing all the colors. Yep, and I've got 3 swatch photos for y'all to check out. And here we go with the swatch photos. Just, it's all under the same lighting. I'm just moving my hand around. Isn't that gorgeous? Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.